Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today I show you free pack of crying sound effects. So you can download all the sounds from the description box. All the sounds are free. You can use them for free in your project. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. And we will draw a cartoon man crying in our video. So you listen to all the sounds, all the sounds of crying, and all the sounds with credit file, the credit file from the website of freesound.org. So Mr. Unknown, I provide you free packs of sound effects every video, and this video of crying sound effects. And I am artist, draw cartoon and cartoon, all the cartoon and caricature and all the photos of the world. Thank you very much, and like this video and subscribe to our channel.